So we all love Joe's Ancient Orange Mead.
It's one of our better performing videos.
But what if it wasn't Joe's Ancient Orange Mead?
What if it was Joe's Ancient Pineapple Mead?
Or Grapefruit Mead?
Or even Lemon Lime Mead?
That sounds good.
Let's
try.
experiment. Let's put all this together and see what we come up with. Okay, so which one do you want to go first?
Let's do the pineapple.
Let's start with pineapple.
Pineapple sounds good.
So we have 3 1-gallon carboys,
Whoa,
pre-sanitized.
whoa. A 1 gallon? What is this,
1
Eric?
gallon.
This is so out of character for you.
This is Joe's Ancient Orange Mead. I want to stay as true to the recipe as I can.
You didn't do that the last recipe.
That was Joe's modern mead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're going all out with the original recipe. We're using the raisins. We're using bread yeast.
I'm sure it's going to turn out fantastic. I'm going to measure out the honey.
Yeah, go ahead and pour the thing out. We got here our handy dandy 5 gallons of honey.
Look at this. We upgraded to a funnel.
He finally convinced me to get a funnel. So 3.5 pounds. You won't go?
Slow.
Let's just pour it in. You got like a spout right there. We didn't anticipate this.
The funnel seemed like a good idea. You need a wider funnel. Why didn't you buy a wider funnel?
Oh, way picky. I got you a funnel. You said get a funnel, I got a funnel.
Here, like this.
Okay, so pineapple. We're probably gonna put about half of this pineapple in there, and we're gonna put the rind and all. Now this wasn't an organic pineapple, it was just a pineapple from HEB. So it's covered in all those pesticides and stuff, and you don't want that inside there. So this was very heavily rinsed off. We rinsed it several times, we soaked it.
Soaked it?
Yeah, so most of those pesticides are gone. So we're putting rind and everything in there. Should I put the whole thing or just half?
Let's put the whole thing.
Put the whole thing in there. Let's be dangerous. Yeah. A little more mixing, get all this mixed up real good. And just like Joe's Ancient Orange Mead, we're going to add 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 clove, and a handful of raisins. Oh, that doubles up some.
Enough.
You ain't gotta go crazy with the chopping up with these, you know, just kind of break the skin on each one. Yeah. So this is gonna need topping off with water and more mixing. But I think I'm gonna let that sit for a while and just kind of put it there and put the stuff on there. Don't top it up yet. I wanna see how the honey's settling.
Oh, you want to see if you can mix it?
Yeah, so we'll just kind of like set it aside for now with like this stuff on there, and just let it do its thing, and we'll mix it some more. And in the meantime,
We're going to let's do the lemon lime.
let's do lemon lime.
Should we?
Now with the lemon lime, we are going to put the raisins, but we're not going to put any cloves or cinnamon. I just
No, it wouldn't. I don't think it would go right.
yeah, I don't think lemon lime mead would go good with clove or cinnamon. So we're gonna leave that out. This is just gonna be honey, raisins, 1 lemon, 1 lime. And just like the Joe's Ancient Orange Mead, we're using the rind, the peel, the seeds, the flesh, all of it. And of course you can use
Try this one again.
Oh, there we go. 3.5 pounds.
Kidding. Split off a lot.
Okay, we're gonna add to this 1 whole lemon and 1 whole lime.
Do you zest them at all?
No, we gotta zest it. We're not putting the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Now, once again, we're not adding any cloves or any cinnamon to this. We just don't think it will go good, you know, so it's just straight lemons, limes. Oh, goodness. That one should be much easier to get mixed.
What makes you say that?
It's not completely and totally full of pineapple. There's gonna be so much losses there. So we're gonna let that one sit for a while so we can mix it up more. Now we get to the grapefruit.
See how 1 gallon is so much easier to work with?
Now with the grapefruit, we're gonna be doing this a little different. See, grapefruit is very bitter all by itself. So instead of using all of the pith, we're just gonna use the flesh of the whole fruit, the zest of the whole fruit, and maybe a third of the pith. So the grapefruit's bitter all by itself already, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do water honey.
Why is your floor sticky?
Huh?
Why is your floor sticky?
The floor always gets sticky whenever you
Damn
go
it.
over.
See, that's what happens when you overbuild it.
Freaking.
Hey, what's this competition I heard you started with the guy?
Check me out on TikTok. I'm currently involved in a mead competition with a dude from Wisconsin. It's very publicized. He's making videos, I'm making videos. Go check it out. Zest is going
Yeah,
in there.
it's definitely me. It's definitely me.
You're the messy one in the relationship.
Oh, I did spray a Diet Coke all over you. Did you ever get over that, by the way?
It's very that was very vengeful and mean of you to do that. You want to go ahead and fill out about maybe halfway with water and get it all mixed up while I finish carving on this. Yeah, so grapefruit is already very bitter all by itself. So we're not adding very much of the pith to this. We'll add a little bit, but not much. I think it'll bitter itself just fine, just with grapefruit, you know? And we're gonna add the raisins to this, and we're going to add a clove. But we're not adding any cinnamon. We just don't think cinnamon will go very well in a grapefruit. It might, we may be wrong, but hey. Oh, did we already put raisins? No.
Nope, not yet.
That clove in there.
Actually,
Yeah. Well, add just a little bit of pith to it, just to see how that goes. I thought there was a little more. You put extra honey in there.
all right. Now give it a shake.
Okay, yeah. So let's top these up, get them nice and mixed. Pitch the yeast. That one's mixed pretty good.
Yeah, that one was easy.
And there we go. Now we're going to pitch our yeast. I actually only have 2 Fleshmans, but I do have some Platinum Red Star Superior baking yeast. So let's see how that goes. Let's put the superior stuff in with the lemon lime and the Fleshmans and others.
Okay.
How that sound? Get scissors here. And there we go. Joe's Ancient Lemon Lime Mead, Joe's Ancient Grapefruit Mead, and Joe's Ancient Pineapple Mead. Which of these do you think would be better? Which do you think will be gross?
Let us know in the comments.
Nice timing. And if you have any other ideas for a Joe's Ancient Fruit Mead, let us know. We're down to try anything.
So, what's your take? Which one do you think?
I think the lemon lime is going to be awesome.
I think the pineapple. is
I
gonna
think the
turn out
pineapple's
great.
going to be good. I'm iffy about the grapefruit, but I'm real excited for the lemon lime.
I'm excited about the lemon lime, but I think
That's almost like a Tenache. So we're gonna give these just like Joe's Ancient Orange. We're gonna give them 2-3 months. We're not gonna mess with them. We're gonna set them up in the closet, leave them alone with all the fruit safe. When they clear, we'll bottle them. 2-3 months, and then we'll do a tasting video. Compare it to Joe's Ancient Orange.
We'll have that one there tasting as well.
Thank you for watching.